This video tutorial will show you how to post an FAQ article on the wiki. Launch your preferred internet browser, and I have Firefox open to the UMBC main page. Go into the FAQ by going to www.umbc.edu/FAQ. If you've already been granted access to contribute to the knowledge base, then click Login on the top right hand corner and enter your username and password. One way to verify that you're logged in is that your name will be displayed on the top right hand corner of the screen next to the search bar. The first step is to select a collection where your article will fall under. So I'm just gonna select Computing and Technology. So click the Add option to the left of Tools and select Page from Template. So we're going to be adding an FAQ article, so check that box and click Next. And this is our template for all of the articles that are posted in the wiki. On the title page, this is where you post your question. The next section, which is the info box, is just for you as a contributor. It shows you some hints and pointers, and the one key thing you should pay attention to is to watch every FAQ page you create. So this is a link that shows you how to do that, or you can also search for that particular article, and that's available in the FAQ. So for this first box, just highlight it so that the blue is bordering around the whole info box, and that you would have this menu button that appears. So click Remove, because obviously that's just for you and not for the article itself. Now, whether you record your screencast first or write the steps first is up to you. I'm just going to go in a linear order, so let's just say that we've already created the article. So what we need is the video ID that YouTube generates once you've uploaded your video into the UMBCFAQ YouTube channel. So open up a new window or a new tab and go to www.youtube.com/user/UMBCFAQ/videos and locate the video that you want to include in your article. I'm just going to pick something random. And then we need the URL, which also contains the video ID. So anything that's after v equals, this random number here, and then anything that's before end feature. So it's just this letter and number combination, and we need to copy that. Going back to the FAQ template, we're going to insert the video ID here. I'm just highlighting everything that's between the greater than and less than, or less than and greater than symbol, and pasting the ID there. And doing the same thing on the second line that's also asking me to insert the video ID, just highlighting less than, insert video ID, and greater than, and then replacing that with the video ID that we captured from the URL from UMBCFAQ. So once you have that, then we need this URL so that we can post it as a thumbnail for our article. So I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to add a little bit of space in between and click Insert Image. And obviously we're grabbing this thumbnail from the web. So once you select that from the left hand side, the image URL is what you'll get prompted, and then you just add that URL into that and hit Insert. Now that your thumbnail is inserted, you need to be able to link that thumbnail into the YouTube video. So we need to highlight the link to equals, so anything that's HTTP only, and we need to copy that. And then click the image again, and you'll get this menu bar. Select link from here, and then make sure that you're selecting web link, and then just type in the address for the YouTube video. Click insert, and now we're done with these two lines, and you can highlight and delete them. So I only put them in the template because it really is hard to grab the thumbnail URL, so I just included it in the template for the article so that it's easy to be able to include yours and stay within the same style guide and format of all of the FAQ articles. So then in the video length, just see how long this particular video that I've selected to insert in that article is, 1 minute and 13 seconds. So I'm just going to add that here. And then once your show me is set, you can go ahead and proceed with the steps of your articles. Once you've completed writing the steps, just click save. And now you can see the final product of your article.